What questions should you ask your realtor when you're a buyer? What's happening in the neighborhood that I want to move into, or nearby that neighborhood? Maybe you live in a military-based town like Jacksonville is. What happens is that twice a year, we sometimes end up getting platoons or people get stationed from here or to another area. So that means we get an influx or a decrease of the amount of people that are in the area. What happens when you have a company that's going out of business or a company that's really hiring? Sometimes that'll actually affect what you have as a buyer. You may end up having more homes or less homes available to you based upon what is really happening in your neighborhood. Did you really have a bad storm that happened? How bad of a storm was it, and how many houses got damaged? A couple years ago, we had a hurricane that went through called Irma. It really affected a lot of the area in the Middleburg and Jacksonville South Market, Orange Park area included. This affected a lot of homes over in that area and allowed people to try and sell those houses. Now, if you're moving in from out of state and you didn't know what was going on and your realtor didn't know, red flag, people. May not want to use that realtor.